2012. Chargeran Tesla to J1772 Adapter experienced the epitome of swift and secure electric vehicle charging with the Chargeran Tesla to J1772 charging adapter. It's compatible with all non-Tesla electric vehicles equipped with J1772 charging ports. Compact and portable, it fits into your glove box and ensures charging access at any station. 13. Rove R24K Dash Cam. Take control with the Rove R24K Dash Cam. This in-car camera records events during your journey, identifying reckless drivers and shielding you from unwarranted liabilities. It boasts a powerful 4K camera with a 2160 pixel resolution, advanced Sony Starva sensor, and built-in Wi-Fi for instant video management.